Just give me 1 minute. How many times have you heard that? Yeah, I'll be right there. Right there. This is me when I get home. My wife says, hey, I just go, yeah, just give me 1 more minute. I wake up like 4 hours later, lights are out, everybody's upstairs in bed, and there I am in these clothes still, sleeping on the couch. How you doing? Welcome back to the channel, you guys. I'm not moving, man. This is at the end of the day, getting ready for our Flashback Friday segment. Almost wasn't going to do a video, but I'm so thankful at the commitment from you guys that I at least wanted to communicate with you. And actually, I think today's segment is going to be appropriate for what we're going to talk about real quick. The big news for Corvette, I'm assuming from my intel, and by the time this video airs, that yes, everybody's going to be talking about it all over social media, all over the internet, all over YouTube, that the C8 mid-engine Corvette is finally leaving Bowling Green, coming to the dealership, eventually coming to you guys. Can you believe? I mean, think about this, man. I mean, I could get like real emotional and like really deep on this, but this really is something special for Corvette and for the beginning of our new future with this car. It really is outstanding, you guys. And I know it's been a long haul, and I know many of you are still waiting, and I appreciate that. We've got some serious detailed communications on availability and ordering. All that's coming up within the next couple of weeks. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. You hit the bell notifications. Come back. I'm gonna let you guys know what it is. Like what did I say in that one video? You're not gonna like what I say sometimes, but I'm gonna tell it like it is. That way we build that level of trust and rapport. And I do appreciate the opportunity to earn your business. I mean, I probably sell more Corvettes indirectly than I do directly. But that's okay. I mean, that is really truly my focus and my commitment to you guys as an enthusiast, would-be customers, to this car, to this marketplace, to the brand as a whole. So I'm hoping that I do have those opportunities and I do have the availability for you. Now, yesterday, I put up just a quick video. In case you didn't miss that, I'll put one of those little linky things right there. The owner's manual is now out for the 2020 mid-engine Corvette. Now, I am filming this the day that it came out. At the end of my day, I will be like this here really soon, maybe in the middle of this video, but my intention is to go home with a lot of you guys are probably doing the same thing and read at least as much of that 337-page owner's manual that I can, and then we'll have some conversations about it, and there's going to be time. What, do I look uncomfortable? I mean, not really. I'm really just wiped out. Oh my gosh, but what I want to share with you guys today for Flashback Friday from this channel, really wasn't formulating a YouTube channel back then, but it's ironic that we're talking about the release of the new Corvette on the way to the dealerships. What I happen to just film, and I'm sorry the quality is just horrible, but I've got a couple of different segments for you. One of the Stingray, the new C7, arriving for the very first time to our dealership. And then I really didn't know, I just had the car waiting, and this is before Chuck got his hands on it, our Corvette technician. I went out and just started taking this into, you know, this is the first time we ever saw an in-transit cover on a Corvette. So he's like, you know, where do you start? How do you do this? And I literally just set the camera up and started taking it off. So you're going to see that today. And I have one more early C7 delivery that actually came to the dealership with something special inside. It's kind of weird. We're talking about that on Flashback Friday. All that stuff is about to happen all over again, and we're going to capture it firsthand right here on this channel. Okay, so before those clips, real quick, just one more thing. A lot going on, and I just love, thanks for listening to you guys. I appreciate that. I'm sorry that I'm all over the place. It's been a long day, and I'm having a tough time talking. But I want to thank you guys. I did post on my socials, my Rick Corvette Conti on Instagram, my Rick Conti #2 on Facebook, Corvette Conti on Facebook, my CorvetteConti.com. My desire, as we started once again, I haven't done this for a couple of years, but I started a petition again for Let Rick Drive. My true passion and desire to represent you, the Corvette brand, fans, enthusiasts, and owners on the track in a Corvette at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway for the Indy 500. Now, if they called me and said, hey, this is such a huge deal, this really is, but if they called me and said, hey, this honor is going to be bestowed upon you, Rick, congratulations, you're the Indy 500 pace car driver, hey, what's the car this year? Oh, it's a Mustang. Guess what? Not doing it. I'm not doing it just to do it. I'm doing it, yes, to do it. I guess it's just, you know, all the years of selling, promoting, and helping people within the Corvette community. It would be, yes, a huge thrill, but an incredible honor for me to be the Indy 500 pace car driver in a Corvette on the track at Indianapolis Motor Speedway. And that sounds so far-fetched, and I guess it was someone that told me years ago that said, you got to give that up, Rick. It's not going to happen. It's probably the worst thing that person ever could have told me, because now I'm more determined than ever before to do that and to make it happen. I really think I can be the first non-celebrity, celebrity pace car driver for the Indy 500. In fact, there's a petition link down below in the description. I've put it on my social media pages. There's one at CorvetteConti.com. I don't pay anything, you guys. I appreciate that support, but just click, do the free thing. This is about creating awareness. Isn't that what a petition is? And I think if enough, and that email is going to go directly to Indianapolis, and I think if enough people realize that it is time for change, and they've already changed, you know, dropping of the flag and that kind of stuff, you know, maybe it's time to change the guy who's behind the wheel. You know, true, because you see those, I didn't do this so long, I'm sorry, but you see when those movie stars get behind the wheel, it's just a gig to them. They're not really excited. It's like, oh, what am I driving? I'm driving that. Okay, you know, what do you need me to do? No, man. I want to say, yeah, I'm driving that. Yeah, man. I am really, truly thrilled just being considered for this, having my name in the conversation, that one day it might happen. And with your support, I think that it can. So let's create the awareness. I may still get shut down, probably will, but I'm not going to give up. No, I'm never giving up. I don't care if it takes to the point you got to wheel me in there on a gurney. Okay, just throw him in the back. Okay. All right, Rick, there you go. No, one way or another. Clock is ticking fast though, man. I really want to make that happen. So it's the Let Rick Drive campaign. Now, I don't even know, some of the images you saw, I just kind of threw that together. I don't even know if the C8 Corvette would be the pace. I mean, it makes perfect sense that it would be. So I'm like, yeah, maybe we need to start this campaign again. So it started. Thanks, you guys. All right, blah, blah, blah. Let's get on with our Flashback Friday segments, the stuff we were talking about at the beginning of the video. I hope you enjoy that, kind of reminiscing back when C7 arrived, special delivery inside, and me not having a clue, but taking that in-transit cover off for the very first time. We're going to do that all again real soon on the C8 mid-engine Corvette. Thanks for joining us today. Feel like a rock star delivering these things?
I want this treatment every time I come. Everybody come out.
Nancy too, just like the customers waiting for the cars?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's that?
They finally turned some loose.
Yeah, that's good, man. Good to have you. It's a great car. Everyone's excited for it, man.
Yeah.
Get in his way. I got it. That's the daytime running light.